like to call the meeting to order. Please stand for the pledge to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for coming, everyone. The first thing on our agenda is a public hearing, and that's on to amend Chapter 178, Vehicles and Traffic, just to institute no parking on Sunset Avenue, 150 feet heading south of Montauk Highway, to increase visibility at that intersection. So I need a motion to open the public hearing.
Motion to open.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. So with the public hearing being open, does anyone wish to comment or speak on behalf of or in opposition to this proposed law change? Yes, if you would come up to the podium, please, and state your name.
Hi, my name is Mary Thorpe. I live at 21 Pin Oak Lane in West Hampton Beach, and I think I started this whole conversation by sending an email to you, Mr. Mayor,
You did.
regarding the safety of that intersection. So
Yes.
I am definitely in favor of it. I think it's going to improve the safety and, like you said, visibility in that area. So I'm hoping that it will pass, and it's just get a very congested area, and I think that will help a great deal.
Terrific. We
So-
did have the traffic, as I mentioned in the emails, have
Yeah.
the traffic engineer and DPW and police chief take a look at the situation
Right.
and assess it. And we did talk about it in a work session.
Right, you did.
So that's why we're where we are right now, about to pass a law.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. And anyone else wish to speak? Okay, I need a motion for the public hearing.
So moved.
Okay, to
Second.
close. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. And Ms. Thorpe, just for your information, we have a resolution at the end. It's the last resolution to pass the law. Thank you. So it's coming. With that being done, we'll go into reading the resolutions. And Mr. Rizzo, would you please start?
Okay, resolved that the minutes of the Board of Trustees meeting of July 7th, 2025 and July 16th, 2025 are hereby accepted.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Resolved that the Police Department Treasurer and Building Inspector's reports for July 2025 are hereby accepted.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Resolved that the warrant of July 2025 in the amount of $819,954.49 for the general fund and $87,966.17 from the capital fund are hereby approved.
Second,
All in favor?
Aye.
resolved that the Board of Trustees appoint Dawn Ledoux, Jim Badzik, Joe Musnicki, Raymond Dowd, and Patty Schaefer to the Conservation Advisory Council with a term of 2 years, term to expire June 30th, 2027.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Resolved that Celia Cunningham is hereby appointed to serve a 3-year term as a member of the Ethics Board to expire on June 30th, 2028.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Resolved the Board of Trustees hereby accepted retirement Lieutenant Ryan Lucas on June 3rd, 2025 with no accruals of any leave time or services related to benefits or credits on or after June 1st, 2025.
Second,
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. I would like to thank Lieutenant Lucas for his long service to the village of West Hampton Beach and wish him luck in his retirement.
resolved that the Board of Trustees accepts the resignation of Anthony Velasquez effective July 27th, 2025.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
And I wish Anthony Velasquez the best of luck in his pursuit of his career. It's my understanding that he has joined the Suffolk County Police Force full-time.
Resolved that the Board of Trustees hereby appoints Raheem Brown as the part-time fire marshal with an hourly salary of $31.50 to start August 4th, 2025.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. I would like to welcome Rahim to our team. He's here in the room, and congratulations and thank you, and look forward to working with you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Happy to be here.
Resolved, the Board of Trustees here appoint Jillian Vidal as a Village Justice Court Clerk at $32.97 hourly rate for training starting August 7th, 2025, and with an annual salary of $60,000 to start on August 18th, 2025.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Resolved that the Board of Trustees authorizes the purchase and installation of a new 50-amp shunt breaker at a cost of $1,685 to be paid out of A7310.2 equipment.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye. Resolved that the village clerk, treasurer, and deputy clerk are hereby authorized to attend the 2025 NICOM Fall Training School in Lake Placid, New York, from September 14th to September 19th, 2025, at a cost not to exceed $1,300 each for lodging, $500 each for meals, and $795 each for conference registration plus travel expenses of $500 for gas and tolls from GL account code A1325.420 Training and Education.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Resolved, the Board of Trustees hereby authorize the dedication of a tree and memorial plaque at the Maria Z. Moore Park for Jim Howard, donated by family and friends.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Resolved that the Board of Trustees authorizes the purchase of 12 teak benches at a cost of $18,534 to be paid out of H7400 Windmill Capital Project.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Resolved that the Board of Trustees hereby authorizes the following organization or groups to use village property on the dates and times authorized as attached.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Resolved that the Board of Trustees hereby authorize the refund payment of the 2025 and 26 tax year property tax in amount of $16,943.08 to 8 property owners specified as attached as a settlement of the small claims as ordered by the NYS Supreme Court.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Resolved that the Board of Trustees, per the recommendation of the Building and Zoning Administrator, authorizes the release of a performance bond submitted by First Dunes Development 496 LLC in the amount of $60,000.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye. Resolved that the Board of Trustees hereby appoints Risk Strategies Consulting to prepare an actuarial valuation of post-employment benefits under GASB number 75 for fiscal year ending May 31st, 2025, at a cost of $4,000.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Whereas the Board has advised a local law amendment, Chapter 178, Vehicles and Traffic, and whereas a public hearing was held on August 7th, 2025, and all the persons present at the meeting had the opportunity to speak on behalf of or in opposition to the proposed local law, any part thereof, and now, therefore, be it resolved. After due deliberation, the Board of Trustees of the Village of West Hampton Beach hereby adopt the said law, local law, as local law number 5 of 2025, as advertised and below, and the village clerk is hereby directed to enter said local law in the records of the village and as directed to give due notice of the adoption of said local law to the Secretary of State, and be it further resolved, this local law shall be in effect on filing with the New York State Secretary of State. Chapter 178-43, Schedule 6, parking prohibited at all times in accordance with the provision of Chapter 178-16A. No person shall park on a vehicle at any time upon the following description streets or parts of the street. Sunset Avenue West from Mill Road south from the distance of 45 feet. Sunset Avenue West between the north curb line of Mill Road project and .60 feet north, therefore, tollway zone. Sunset Avenue East, west from Montauk Highway and south from a distance of 150 feet. Sunset Lane East, west, entire length. Village parking lot south, north, east, west, parallel to the curb. underscored represented additional tables, turncase of clarity, for clarity. Okay.
Second.
Thank you, Robert. Second?
Second.
Okay. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. So that being done, the local law is now passed. Anyone else have any public comments for the board to hear? Okay, then I need a motion. We have an executive session for personnel matters, so a motion to go into executive session.
So moved.
Second.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
So that concludes this portion of our meeting. Thank you very much. And we'll have our executive session down in my office. Okay.